If you're a real estate investor or property manager, you might have heard of Doorloop. It's an all-in-one property management platform that helps you track rent, manage tenants, list properties, and even handle accounting, all from one place. Great if you're tired of juggling multiple tools just to keep up with your rentals. But here's the deal. Doorloop works well for small to mid-sized landlords, but if you're managing hundreds of units, you might need something more advanced. The interface is clean and easy to learn, and they offer solid support. But some features like leasing tools or maintenance requests are still catching up to bigger platforms like Buildium or Appfolio. So, should you use it? If you want an affordable, user-friendly way to manage your rental business, yes, absolutely give it a try. Just know that while it's growing fast, it's still not the most feature-rich option out there. Let me know if you use Doorloop. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.